Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We had some guests come to our corporate headquarters here in Knoxville, Tennessee for what we call Franchise Discovery Day. And just want to thank Tracy and Lucy and Alex for coming and visiting us. And now they're our newest franchise owners down in Smyrna, Georgia. So stay tuned and see what you think.
In a dress and leather boots in a crawl space. I mean, really,
It's beautiful.
that just doesn't make any sense, right? It's better than that. It's clean.
Yeah, you're right. It's quality. It smells nice.